Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through downtown Kingston. But I want to ask you guys a question. Why did Jamaica give concessions to operate the two international airports? We did a video this morning about the airport making 30 billion, 200 million US dollars. Do you know how much of that money the Jamaican government gets? Nothing. Because the money goes to the people operating the airport. And I've been thinking about it, and I can't understand why the Jamaican government gave a concession for both international airports. Why didn't the Jamaican government, the airport authority, why didn't they run the airports? So guys, I'm asking you, what do you think about that? Does anybody know why they did it? Or what do you guys think about giving a concession for the airports? Now, giving concessions to build roads is very straightforward, because the person who gets the concession, let's use the toll roads for example, they build the road at their expense, and then through the concession they collect toll to repay for the building of the road. That is how the toll roads work, and that is what is causing the problem with the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. The company that has the concession did not build the highway. The government of Jamaica did. Hence, there is a problem that they're trying to sort out, because it should have been the person holding the concession that built the road. But the airports were already built. They were already there. So why did they give a concession to a foreign company to operate the airport? Now, we said though both airports made 200 million. Out of the 200 million, the Sangster International Airport made $158 million. 75% of the revenue. Now, this revenue that we're talking about is from the airlines paying a fee to use the airport, and the non-aeronautical revenue, which is from the airport services and facilities. For instance, the rent the operator of the airport collects. Those restaurants, all those stores you see at the airport, that is the non-aeronautical revenue. And there are three companies that basically make up those services: Dumfries Jamaica, Express Catering, and VIP Attraction. And the airlines now, the majority of the revenue for the aeronautical revenue, that's the one that comes from the airline. In Mobi, comes from American Airlines, and in Kingston it comes from JetBlue. So the Norman Manley International Airport had 1.75 million passengers in 2023 average. That airport is under a 25-year concession to PAC Kingston Airport Limited. Now, let me just point this out. The Jamaican government owns the airports, but PAC Kingston Airport Limited, or PACAL as they call it, has the right to operate the airport for the next 25 years, and this agreement started in October 2019. That means it would have been this current JLP government. Well, it would have been Did not, well, not this current, this administration, it would have been the JLP under Andrew Holness, but the Minister of Transport would have changed after the next, this, it's not the Minister of Transport that's there now that did the deal, but it was the JLP government. And PAC Kingston Airport Limited is owned that's a company that has the concession now. They don't own the airport, they just operate it. It's owned 100% by Pacific Airport Group. And they are a massive company that operates airports all over the world. Now, the gem is the Montego Bay Airport or the Sangster International Airport. That airport had 6.96 million passengers in 2023. That was a record. And guess what? That figure is going to keep going up. Now that concession was given to the Montego Bay MBJ Airports Limited. Remember now, that's the name of the company that was formed to operate the airport. They don't own it. The Jamaican government owns it. And the same company that Pacific Airport Group, they own, I think it's 75% of that airport, of that company. I think, yeah, Canadian company owns the other 25%. So that's that's how those airports operate under the concession agreement. Now the concession agreement for the Sangster International Airport, I don't remember how long it is for, but the question is why? I just don't understand. Guys, what do you think about the government giving concessions to operate these airports? Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.